This video is brought to you by AEJuice. Get ready to use professional and easy to use transitions and presets, glitch animated background, logo reveal, text animation, different smooth transitions, trailer titles and many more. You can get them individually or you can get it in a bundle. It's also available for Premiere Pro and After Effects. Check out the first link in the description. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have already imported the files required for this project. You can download it from below link in the description. Now let's see how to create this logo reveal. Create a new composition. Name it as logo animation. For this composition, I will set time duration to 5 seconds, remaining everything will be same. Perfect. Here you need to add your logo. Here I will just use the text layer as a logo. Perfect. Pre-compose it. Name it as logo. Perfect. For logo composition, in effects and preset, search for tint. Add tint to logo composition. For tint, change map white color as shown. In effects and preset, search for find edges. Add it to logo composition. For find edges, set blend with original to 80%. Now in effects and preset, search for fast box blur. Add it to logo composition. Set blur radius to 1. Iteration to 1. Now let's pre-compose this logo composition. Name it as logo map. Select move all attributes into new composition. Perfect. Now from project panel, add the reflection map media file to the timeline. Now add logo composition to the timeline. For reflection map, change track matte to alpha matte logo. You can see the preview. Now for reflection map, in effects and preset, search for turbulent displace, add it to the reflection media. Perfect. Now search for CC glass. Add it to the reflection. For CC glass, in surface, change bump map to logo map. Set softness to 0. Set height to 20. Set displacement to 300. Perfect. Now in effects and preset, search for CC blob eyes, add it to the reflection layer. For blob eyes, in blobiness, change blob layer to logo map. Set softness to 10. Set cutaway to 0. In shading, set ambient to 9. Set diffuse to 10. Set roughness to 0.50. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. For adjustment layer, in effects and preset, search for CC toner. Add it to the adjustment layer. For this toner, set the shadow midtone and highlight color as shown to get a perfect golden color for logo. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Exposure. Add it to the adjustment layer. For exposure, set exposure to 0.80. Perfect. Now select all the layers, pre-compose them, name it as Golden Logo. Perfect. Now create a new solid. This will be our background layer. Place it below Golden Logo. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Gradient Ramp. Add it to the background layer. Set the color as shown for background. Set Ramp Scatter to 300. Now let's create the water effect. Create a new solid layer. Name it as Noise. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fractal Noise. Add it to the Noise layer. For Fractal Noise, change it to Smeary. Select Inverted. In Transform, uncheck Uniform Scaling. Set Scale Width to 400. Set Scale Height to 20. Set Complexity to 3. Now for evolution, while press Alt key, click on Stopwatch of Evolution. Enter expression, time, 50. You can see the preview. Now change noise layer to 3D. Press S to bring up scale. Unlink scale. Change X scale to 350. Change Y scale to 200. Now again create a new solid. Name it as Color. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Gradient Ramp. Add it to the color layer. Here you need to set the start and end color for Gradient Ramp as shown. Now adjust the position for start of ramp. Now for color layer, change mode to screen. Here you can see the preview. Perfect. Now select Noise and Color layer. Pre-compose it. Name it as Water. Let's hide the water composition. For Golden Logo, in Effects and Preset, search for Mirror. Add Mirror to Golden Logo. Set Reflection Angle to 90 degree. Now adjust the reflection center as shown. Perfect. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Preset, search for Caustics. Add it to the adjustment layer. For Caustic, set Bottom to None. In Water, set Water Surface to Water Composition. Set Wave Height to 0.15. Set Surface Opacity to 0. Now in Material, set Specular Reflection to 0. You can see the preview. Now let's create a new adjustment layer. in Effects and Preset. Search for curves. Add it to the adjustment layer. Now adjust the curves as shown. Perfect. Now let's change the golden logo and water composition to 3D. Now create a new camera. Create a new null object. Change null to 3D. Parent camera to null object. Final press P to bring up position. At end of the timeline. Create keyframe for position. Now at start of the timeline. Increase Z position value as shown. Perfect. Now let's create a new solid. I will name it as black. Make sure color is set to black. For this solid layer, press T to bring up opacity. At start, create keyframe for opacity. Now at near about 1 second and 15 frames, set opacity to 0. Now at 3 seconds and 15 frames. Create keyframe for opacity. Now at end of the timeline, change opacity to 100%. Now let's see the complete preview. Perfect, here our logo reveal is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.